Alright, hey there guys, what is going on? Kleeka19 here. We are doing something a little different today. I'm actually going to be teaching a tutorial on something, for once. So, I have decided that I want to show you guys how I make my videos. So, let me minimize this and move this over here. So this is all the Fraps mini recordings, because Fraps records in chunks, which is actually helpful for many things. Which this is quite good. I'm not sure if it's recording this screen on the second monitor. It's a lot more helpful with the second monitor. But right now I'm going to open Windows Movie Maker, where I edit all this stuff. What is this? Whatever. Alright, so I am going to drag a box around all these to select them all. And then I drag them over here to this blank space. And it creates a copy of it. At least it should. Yeah, it did. So we can close this now. And then we maximize this. And then what I do... Oh, by the way, follow my mouse. If you're going to make a video, I recommend you use timeline. Because timeline is it's useful for seeing like the length of your clips. Clicking this plus button opens up the audio and stuff. What is this down here? I see something. Never mind. Thought it was words. It's probably just dust on my screen or something. I don't know. Or in the screen. But for what I want to do right now is add a fading effect for episode 17's end. I have switched to recording in masses and then dividing it up into what I think is even. So I took half of it for one episode and this half for another. This episode 17 is longer than episode 16, but that is okay. It's only by 4 or 5 minutes. You can see how long it is over here, and then where your little start playing is at. So once you start playing it and stuff, this will move forward, and then you'll get like it'll increase. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that you guys know how stuff like this works. So what I am planning on doing I want to see if there's something that works. Oh, for this, you're going to want to select, you're going to go down to your timeline, if you see my mouse down here. I am not moving, well, I'm not zooming in on it, because I think that's only something you can do in, like, Sony Vegas or something. You're going to want to click this top one, which says storyboard. And then it'll bring you to this kind of thing. And fade in from black I want to... Oh, by the way, you're gonna click on Effects right here. You're gonna click Add to Storyboard. And then we're gonna watch this part right here. And it should fade in. Hopefully I'm not... Yeah, it works. Okay. So it'll like fade in from black. Like if you're gonna be starting an episode that's like on top of another episode, like if you record in a mass chunk like I've just recently started doing, and you want to make your second episode in the row like fade in, well no, like your first episode starts normally, of course, and then like in the end it fades out, and then in the beginning of the next episode it fades in. So if you want that to happen, you have to click fade in for your second episode and right click on it and click add to storyboard. Make sure that this is selected. And yeah. Now I'm also going to add a fade out in the end. And this is essentially the same thing. You select this, then you click this, and you right click it, and click add to storyboard. And oops, that is not right. So this is how you do it if this is how you do, and if you screw up like I just did. That was not on purpose, but I just wanted to, but it apparently worked in my favor. So there, we have to select this one instead. There, keep this one selected and right click it, add to storyboard. And I'm going to go to the end of the video. I do not want to give too many spoilers. Oh, not that. I want to click this. Alright, so let's watch this. Thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. My name is Kleeka19. And I just want to see if this worked. I'm sorry if it worked. I'm sorry, Fraps makes things a little choppy if you're playing a video within the recording of a video. Videoception. But yeah, it faded out, as you can see, because the screen went black. So yeah. And then we could switch to timeline. And I'm going to go back. Alright. Now keep your eye on the mouse here, right? The cursor here. I'm going to teach you how to add a title. And titles are pretty easy. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go under this edit bar, or you're going to go in the taskbar. And then under edit, where you get the effects, you will also find title and credits. You're going to want to click that, and at the very top it'll say title at the beginning. You are going to want to click that too, and then put in your title, and I'm going to say test for this, and it'll show you your preview over here. Now I want to change the title animation. Fade in and out. If that just isn't your piece of cake, or if it's not your thing, you can go up here or scroll down. You could scroll down from titles 2 lines, or you can scroll up from that. Now up here you will find some titles, well, intros, like zoom up and in, and it looks like that, or zoom in. This one I used for chunk error with Pat. And then this is zoom out. I've not tested this one yet. Flashing. Okay, if that's your thing to give your viewers seizures, then do that. But let's just choose something. Zoom in. And I'm going to show you how to change the font and color for it. So here is your font color. If you click on this, you can change it from white to, like, let's go with red, and click OK. And the words will appear up, the title will be red. You can change your font. What I did was for the intro of Chunk Error was Arial Black. Yeah, you can see the resemblance there. And then I also made the background be black. And then you have your basic typing things like bold or italics, or bold and italics, or underline, or italics and underline, or all of them at once. So yeah, and then here's your positioning, so I could align right or align left, but I like middle. Actually, I don't like, yeah, I like middle, never mind. And then you simply click add title over here, and add title will add the title right here, and that is your title, and then your video will start. However, I am not a big fan of titles unless it's something I really don't have a good enough intro or outro for. So I'm just going to click remove, and there you have it. Those are some basics on Windows Movie Maker. And once you're done with the simple editing there, you could go up here and click Publish Movie and choose where you want to save it. So I'll click this computer, and then this will go in my videos folder. I'll save it as Survival Island 17, and click next, and it will start, well, you can choose settings for it. I have not really explored these. I have just chosen best quality for playback on my computer. However, there's always more settings, which I don't know what that does. I'm not even gonna screw with it, so then just click publish, and it'll tell you the estimated time remaining. Some of my longer videos, like this one, even take up to 40 minutes, which is normally double what their length is. This will take probably 48 minutes. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If it did, leave a like, rate, comment, and even subscribe if you want some more tutorials for things video editing wise. My name is Kleeka19, and bye.